New BMW R1300G's Adventure 2026, advanced technology and features, automated shift assistant, ASA, optional. This new system offers automated clutch operation and gear shifting, providing a more convenient and potentially smoother riding experience. It includes a fully automatic D mode and a manual M mode. Riding assistant, optional. This includes active cruise control, ACC, front collision warning, FCW, lane change warning, and rear end collision warning, RECW, for increased safety and convenience. Headlight Pro with Adaptive Headlight, optional. This system enhances visibility with an adaptive headlight that adjusts to lean angle. Riding modes Pro, optional. Expands the standard 4 riding modes to 7, allowing for more customization of the bike's behavior. BMW Motorrad Full Integral ABS Pro. Lean angle optimized ABS is standard, providing enhanced braking performance and safety in various riding situations.